Hi everyone, today we are at International Education or IE, located on 3rd floor of the Pop building. If you are an international student, I hope this video will help you understand more about academic advisors. We have a special guest with us today. If you are ready for the video, let's get started.
Hi, my name is Ginger Villanueva, and I'm one of the academic advisors here in International Education. Come see my office. So here we have our front desk, where we always have somebody to help you. And over here we have an area for students and some student computers, and you will often see many people here to help as well. Come to see my office now.
Can you please tell us what do academic advisors do?
So academic advisors help students understand the American education system and help prepare all of your classes and make decisions about how to transfer to your bachelor's degree at universities here in the United States. Come on down. So this is my office. Come on in. So here is where we can come and you can sit and I will answer any questions that you have.
I've heard that you have some international experiences. Can you share that with us?
Yes, so when I was 16 years old, I went to live in Germany for 1 year, and that was my first introduction to living in another country, learning another language, and starting to understand another culture. And after that year, I had so much fun that I decided I want to have more experiences like that. So when I was in university, I spent 1 year in Spain, in Barcelona, and then after university, I taught English for 1 year in Austria. So all of those were wonderful experiences, but I also wanted to explore more and new places, so I went to China and the Dominican Republic and Mexico and Hong Kong. I've been to many places, so I enjoy them all, and I hope to see many more places. So this is my scrapbook from China when I went 1994 with my college marching band, and we went on a Friendship Ambassadors tour for 3 weeks, and it was really a very incredible, wonderful experience. And we got to play music in many different cities, including on the Great Wall of China, which was wonderful. So many fun times and wonderful people, amazing food. I had my birthday there, so I got to have some longevity soup. It was wonderful. I hope it works. And went on the what we call the Yellow River, and it saw Chinese opera. It was just really, really wonderful. So many beautiful places, and I hope that I can see more someday.
Thank you so much, Ginger, for giving us a tour today. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'm always happy to see students here in our office, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Bye.